For centuries, horses and humans have worked together in many ways, including farming, going into battle, and for riding. Horses are majestic animals, and many people seem to be drawn to them. People who have not spent much time around horses may not realize they are actually very sensitive animals with excellent communication skills. In the wild, a horse has to learn to be on alert at all times, or they may get eaten by a predator. This instinct remains with the domesticated horse today, and because of this instinct, they have learned to pick up on the most subtle cues of our body language. The horse's sensitivity also allows them to read our emotions. If a person is struggling emotionally or is having a bad day, the horse will react to how the person is acting around them. The benefits of the horse's instinctual sensitivity is they can actually help heal those people suffering emotionally and give strength and courage to those who have physical challenges. One type of program that can help people with physical and emotional challenges is called equine facilitated therapy. The Antelope Valley has their own such program called Saddle Up Therapeutic Riding Stables. It is a nonprofit organization which helps provide horseback riding programs designed for physically and mentally challenged individuals.
Her name is Emily. She has developmental disabilities, developmental delay. She had a stroke at birth, so she has some right side paralysis, and she attends a day program now that she's older and out of the public school system. When she comes here, she's very outgoing. She always has been, but when she's been in a strange situation, over time coming here, she's not afraid to be approached or approach other people. She'll interact with them, talk to them. She likes to give thumbs up to people. I've just noticed, an increase in some confidence.
We are certified to work with horses. It's actually a team. There's a mental health specialist who has to be licensed with the state of California or wherever they're practicing it. And then there's an equine therapist who reads the horse's body language. We work with different populations. Saddle Up, we're currently working with veterans and military families, including children and spouses. We have one client that comes out here. It's a child, and the improvement has been amazing with him. He comes out here to work with the horses, and he does art as well to ground him. And it's amazing because he's talking a lot more and he's doing better in school.
Saddle Up therapeutic riding programs have touched many lives and benefited those with special needs here in the Antelope Valley. With the help of many very special volunteers and trained professionals, they are striving to meet the needs of as many people as possible. Depression, anxiety, bipolar, and post-traumatic stress disorders are some of the many psychological disorders that many people suffer from on a daily basis. Many people seek help from psychiatrists, psychologists, or counselors. But for others, being in a place of darkness and seeing no hope can sometimes lead to suicide. Animals can help provide those who are suffering emotionally with comfort, strength, and healing. Animal-assisted therapy in a psychological setting is actually not a new concept. Historically, there have been cases of animals being used in a therapeutic way dating back as far as the Middle Ages. Today, modern animal-assisted therapy has developed into using animals in a variety of settings. From dogs and horses to dolphins, the therapeutic benefits of using animals to treat those patients suffering from various psychological disorders or traumas has shown positive results. Although there are some drawbacks to using animals in a therapeutic setting, the overall benefits seem to outweigh any of those drawbacks. Hopefully, funding will continue to be available for future studies to continue making progress in this interesting field of animal-assisted psychotherapy.